Meccha Chameleon gets stuck on the loading screen, in this video I'll show you how to fix it. A few different things can cause this, so we'll run through the fixes one by one, starting with the most likely. The first thing we need to do is fully close Meccha Chameleon and Steam. Head to your settings. On the left side, time and language. Open date and time. Scroll down and click sync now. The button is grayed out. Turn set time automatically off and back on. Then try again. Finished? Make sure your time zone is also correct. Then launch the game and see if it loads normally. A wrong system clock can stop the game from authenticating with the servers, and this solves the problem for a lot of players. It's still stuck on the loading screen. The next thing we're going to do is disable any overlays or capture software. On Steam in the top left, click Steam, Settings. Towards the bottom, click In-Game, and uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. For Discord, in the bottom left, User Settings, scroll down, Game Overlay, and uncheck Enable Overlay. Check Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner, RTSS, or any screen recording software you're using. Make sure it's turned off. Then launch the game again and see if it gets past the loading screen. If that fixes it, you can turn those programs back on one at a time to find the one that caused the problem. If it still isn't working, the next thing we need to do is verify the game files. Start by opening Steam, right-click Meccha Chameleon, select Properties, go to Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to finish checking everything. This may take a few minutes and might download replacement files automatically. If it's still not loading, clear the Steam download cache. Steam in the top left, open Settings, go down to Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Just remember this signs you out of Steam, so have your login details ready before continuing. If it still won't load, the next thing we're going to do is run Steam as an administrator. Close Steam completely, right-click the Steam shortcut, choose Run as Administrator. If it's still stuck, reinstall or repair the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. I'll include a link in the description. Download the latest supported x64 version from Microsoft, run the installer, and if it says it's already installed, choose Repair instead. Once it's finished, restart your PC and test the game again. If it still isn't working, the last thing we're going to do is update your graphics driver. I'll include the links in the description. Download the latest stable driver for your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card, install it, then restart your computer if prompted before launching the game again. One thing to keep in mind is that this can also be caused by the game's server during updates. If none of these fixes work, the issue may be server-side, so you'll simply need to wait and try again later. You now know how to fix Meccha Chameleon when it's stuck on the loading screen. The loading screen issue should now be resolved. Let me know in the comments which step fixed it for you, the clock sync or verifying your game files, so the next person knows what to try first.